Hello, this is postuploader.com. We are SEO friendly blog post formatting and publishing expert. If you want to format and publish your blog post by us, we can perfectly do it for you. Just contact with us. Okay, let's jump into today's tutorial. Today I will guide how you can display related post under your every blog post in WordPress. Right now I'm in my website dashboard. I need to install a plugin. I'm going to the plugin section and click on add new plugin. Search here with Jetpack. This is the plugin. So install now. Activate this plugin. This plugin already activated. After clicking activate plugin, then you need to again activate Jetpack for your website. Clicking on activate Jetpack and it's connecting your website to the Jetpack and it's saying Jetpack already connected. Okay, connection is done. I am going back to my website. Again, I am going to my plugin section and if I come to the down, then see Jetpack already installed. And right now I am going to my website blog post section and let's see is there has any related post displaying below the blog post. I'm opening this post and below of this post there has no related post. I want to display related post below this post. I am going to the Jetpack settings page. After clicking the settings page you will get this similar interface. After that you have to click on this traffic section. So I am clicking on traffic section. After clicking the traffic section you will get a option for related post. First toggle bar saying show related content after the post. I am enabling it. After enabling this option, I can enable below two options. First option is highlight related content with a heading and how it will display after your blog post. Here it's giving a preview. I enabled highlight related content with a heading and after that show a thumbnail image where available. I want this option also. If I select this option, then my related post section will be displayed like this. Already I enabled related post section for my website. It will display below all of my blog post. Let me check is it working properly or not. I am going to scroll down. Let's see is it displaying or not. No, it's not displaying. If it's not display below the blog post, I already enabled it from the Jetpack, but still it's not displaying. That time you have to click on customize this icon. Click here. After clicking here, here you will get a option for related post. This option. Click here. After that, I can customize it. Right now, here only written related, but I want to display it related post. So add which text you want to display above this related post section right here. Related posts. And here has the option show thumbnail. If you select it, thumbnail will display. If you deselect it, thumbnail will not display. Select show thumbnail. If you don't want to display the date of that blog post, just unselect that option. Date will not display on that related post section. Below here has show context. Display entry category or tag. If you don't want to display the category here, just deselect it, but I think category displaying is perfect. And next option is layout. Right now it's on grid layout, but if you wish you can make it list layout. If you select list, then it will display like this, but grid layout is perfect I think. So related post is displaying here and after that you have to click on publish. Click publish. This is the way to display related post below your blog post. By following this tutorial, you can easily add this related or similar post section for your blog. Today it's done. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video. And if you face any problem about your website blog post formatting and uploading, please comment below. I will be very happy to solve your problem. Thank you.